my name is Nancy Ortiz. I am the dedicated Home Warranty of America account executive for the Parodi Team. I want to introduce myself and congratulate you on your home buying contract. Congratulations. We know there is a lot in the process to digest and can be confusing. That is why I will be giving you a call and going over all the coverage options available through Home Warranty of America. 90% of the times, this coverage gets paid by the seller and is negotiated in the contract for you by the Parodi Team. I'm looking forward to meeting you and explaining more about the benefits you will be receiving. In the meantime, thank you for choosing the Parodi Team and have a great day. We will talk soon.